Hey, I already got a crazy update for you guys on the Our Local Spotlight platform. And if you haven't already seen the introduction video of exactly what it is, click the card in the top right corner of your screen right now, or just find it on the channel. But long story short, this platform will basically do the selling for you for your 9x12s, so you can actually send it to prospects. It shows that we're actually nationwide, so it gives you authority to be a partner of this nationwide campaign rather than just being some off the cuff side hustler that people aren't going to trust. Now you're part of this national brand. Long story short, you can put either a circle pin or a star pin on the map. A circle pin is free to put down, but it's not exclusive, so if someone wants to put down a star pin, then you would get replaced, so I recommend going with the star pin. And what the star pin includes, other than exclusivity and the inability to get replaced, is it includes a landing page where you'll actually, as you can see, have a custom landing page for your location, blah, 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 blah. And I went deep into this on the other video, so I don't want to talk too much. But here's the update. All landing pages now have their own blog for their own location, and I already wrote the first blog post custom to everybody's location. And this is why this platform is going to be powerful, and this is why if you don't have a landing page yet to guarantee that nobody can steal your spot, you should. Because at some point, not being a part of this platform is like trying to host a rental property without using Airbnb or VRBO. Like, you're basically going to have to use this platform because it's going to take over 9x12, and I want you to benefit from that, because I'm going to work my butt off to make sure that this is the most powerful platform you could possibly ever be a part of as a 9x12er. So here, let's take a quick look at the new blog post. So you can see it's actually customized to your location. This is Akron, but it's every single blog post is customized to the location. And this is why it's so powerful. This isn't just something to like send to your clients or prospects, although you should, but this can rank locally for you. So here's how it works. For example, the title says, "Unlock the power of a local spotlight card in Akron." So now, when people are looking up local spotlight in Akron, or there's going to be other blog posts like marketing in Akron, marketers in Akron, now when people look that up, this page is going to rank on Google and show up for that super specific search result. And what this means for you is local businesses that are searching for marketers in Akron, now they're going to come to this and they're going to see your contact button right here, contact information right here, and that lead is going to go directly to you. And this is for every single landing page that we have. So if we go back to our spotlights, let's check out a different landing page. We have Mesa, Arizona, and they have the same exact blog but customized to their location. So when someone looks up marketing in Mesa, this is going to show up. And this is just the first blog post. I'm going to be pumping these out for every single landing page. This is totally included in the landing page package. And this is just one little piece of value out of all of the future plans that I have. I cannot wait to absolutely blow this thing up for you guys. So what I need you guys to do in order to help is share these blog posts. Just go. I'm not going to be able to update you every time I add something, but just go check out the blog posts every once in a while. Share them on social media, share them with potential prospects, wherever you want. Share them, use them to your advantage, and that'll help us rank. And of course, if you haven't already put the badge on your website, linking back to ourlocalspotlight.com, you should, and if you have a free pin, you have to. That's a requirement to keep a free pin. But guys, this is just one of many examples of why you should probably grab a landing page while you can, because if you look at the map now, things have changed since the last time I made a video on this. It is filling up, and I've already had to remove some free pins in order to replace them with landing pages, because remember, landing pages take priority. So I recommend going to the partner application, filling out your information if you don't already have a pin, and I recommend going with a landing page. If you already have a free pin and you want to upgrade to a landing page, simply go to the link in the description. It's a Stripe link. It'll allow you to subscribe, and then once you make that first payment, just message me or email me, and I'll be able to change your pin to a exclusive star pin, and I'll build out a landing page for you along with the blog, and you'll be up and running. And that location will be yours to own for as long as your subscription keeps running, as long as it keeps going. And like I said, honestly, one day, not being a part of this platform is going to be like not being part of Airbnb. But if you believe in it, if you believe in me and how much effort I'm going to put into this to make it absolutely blow up for you guys, then you should get on it. And I can't wait to show you guys what else we have in store in the future.